Hey guys, my name is Damien Black and today I'm going to be showing you how to make crazy profits with CPA marketing and Google AdWords. Now before we get started, I want you to subscribe and comment below what you think about this method after you finish watching it. Make sure to like, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now the results you see on screen were generated with Google AdWords and a few free traffic sources, but mainly Google Ads. So step number one is to go search campaigns. Okay, go to search campaigns. Now this is very important. You have to go search options and you want to click out all of these options and leave search, because Google AdWords is a search engine. Okay, so the next step is to pick an actual offer we like. So there's tons of offers here on maxbounty, you know, United States search, and the next step is to pick an actual offer. So for this video, guys, I'm gonna pick let's see, let me sort this by the EPC, and all right, GenBrain, let's look at this one. There's an $80 pay per lead. The EPC is 162, which is pretty good, and we can do 10 actions per day. And this has tier 1 countries, United States, Ireland, and Canada, which is perfect. Now guys, listen to this. This is very, very important. When you're going to be promoting offers like this in Google Ads, you have to be sure that in the descriptions there are no restrictions, because you can't bid on keywords if a company like this has restrictions. Okay, so if, for example, if in search restrictions there would be GenBrain, then you can't put the keyword GenBrain in your Google Ads campaign. Do you understand, guys? So this is super important. So this has a good pay per lead, $80 and 162 EPC, which is pretty good. Now the next step is going to be, we're going to go over to our Google Ads account. Now if you created a brand new account, you're going to get a red line up here saying none of your ads are running. That's perfectly fine. All you have to do is transfer some money to your Google Ads account, and I believe that if you are signing up for the first time, you get, I think, a £100 or $100 coupon code, which you can find online, which is perfect. So the next step is going to be planning and keyword planner. Okay, so we're going to research the keyword, we're going to research the product to see if this product has enough searches per month. Okay, so we're going to put all locations and we're going to put English. Okay, and in the search bar we're going to paste the actual product name. So in this case, GenBrain. Search, and as you can see right here, guys, this product has 1 to 10k searches every single month. Now this is pretty good, guys. Okay, I would recommend going above 5,000. Okay, but this is pretty good. This has some potential. And now the goal of this video is going to be all about reviews, because when we are going to be creating campaigns all around reviews, this means that people who search for GenBrain review, they already know about the product and they are a warm lead, so they are interested in purchasing our product. So guys, for example, I'm gonna go GenBrain brain supplement. It's already here, guys. Okay, GenBrain brain supplement, and as you can see right here in the search results, we're gonna see reviews. Okay, GenBrain review latest, enhance the reasons to avoid. Amazon has a GenBrain review, must read GenBrain reviews, blah 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 blah. Now I guarantee you that all of these companies are promoting this exact product. And even if a website like this, okay, on the first page, as you can see, this has 37,000 searches. I mean 37,000 results. So there's 37,000 pages posting about keywords about GenBrain. That's not a lot, guys. That's not a lot. So you're gonna be basically the first person to rank if you create an ad around the GenBrain, because no one is actually advertising the GenBrain. Alright, that actually is brain supplements. Oh, that's not GenBrain, that's just some kind of different brain supplement. So if you create a Google Ads, which I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do, you can actually rank #1 spot because nobody else is advertising for the GenBrain brain supplement, which is awesome. So I'm pretty glad. I'm pretty lucky I found this offer. But guys, this is for you. So if you want to take action on this offer, make sure to do so, because I'm going to be going through the campaign in a couple of seconds. So make sure to watch the very end. So as you can see here, guys, let me click on one. I already opened this one, just checking out before the video. And as you can see here, GenBrain review, how it works, effects, results revealed 2019, blah 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 blah. You can see this is the product, and let's see if it matches what we actually have. Okay, this is the picture. GenBrain, perform, focus. Let's see if it matches our product. This is the newest landing page, and it should be some. Okay, as you can see here, guys, this is the exact picture. So 100% this website is promoting the GenBrain offer from maxbounty. So this is pretty awesome. Now, we are going to need a review site for this product, because you can't just direct link through Google Ads. You're gonna get your account banned. Okay, let me move this for a second. You're gonna get your account banned if you direct link to the offer. So we're gonna create a simple review site using ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels is the best landing page, review page, website page builder out there on the market right now. Now, I am going to leave a share funnel for this template, guys, for this template in the description below. So make sure to grab a 14-day free trial for ClickFunnels and start implementing this method I'm teaching right now. So this is the template, okay? I use this template, and I bet you other review sites use this template too. This is a blog template, okay? So you would simply just open the landing page, guys, and you would simply create a review around this landing page, around this product, okay? Super simple, drag and drop, GenBrain supplement review. Super quick, I'm not gonna be blah 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 blah, okay? GenBrain brain supplement review 2020 or 2019, and you're gonna write a simple blog post, or you can copy stuff off this page. You can copy all these bullet points. You understand what I'm saying, guys? You want to make a similar website to this one I'm showing you right now, okay? Add some images. You can add some banners on the side. maxbounty gives you all of this stuff absolutely for free. So once you have your review site created, okay, this is not hard, guys. This is simple stuff, drag and drop. It's gonna take you half an hour, max 1 hour to create this page. And once you do so, you can start driving traffic. Now let me show you exactly how to do that. So once you found your product, you did some research, you made sure that the product has enough searches per month, and you created a simple blog post, a review website, okay? You could copy it from others. You can basically, you can get inspired by this page, for example. And then the next step you're gonna do is you're actually gonna create the campaign. So now you wanna click Google Ads, campaigns, and you're gonna click create new campaign. Now we're gonna drive website traffic, okay? Simple website traffic, search. We're gonna skip this. This doesn't matter. This is not a tracking link or nothing, okay? So you can literally just write anything here, yourwebsite.com, whatever. Continue. Okay, simple. Follow me. Continue. Okay, search, goal, website traffic. Make sure this is here. So for the campaign name, we're going to be using the product name, which is GenBrain. Paste that right there, and we're going to just use search. Now, we're going to use the targeting from this website, which is Canada, Ireland, United States. Canada. Wait, sorry. Canada, Ireland, and the United States. There we go. So Canada, Ireland, United States. We're gonna put languages English, and we're not gonna mess around with the audiences, okay? We're just gonna leave that right there. Now budget, this is very, very important, guys. Put the budget for the amount you can afford to spend, okay? Think of this as an investment. So I like to do something between $10 to $50, okay? But bear in mind, one of my campaigns right now on my other account, I think, is running at like 220 per day, okay? 220 euros per day, because it's so profitable. So as a test, okay, you're gonna be testing this out. You wanna put something between 10 to 50 euros per day. You can even put 5 if you're comfortable with doing that, okay? So for this example, I'm gonna be using budget 10 euros. Now this is also important. Make sure to put clicks and click, or select the bid strategy directly. Click this, maximize clicks, click this button and put maximum CPC. Bid limit would be something between 0.20 cents, okay, 0.20 or 0.30. So put in something you're comfortable with. I'm comfortable with 20 cents per click, 30 cents per click, okay? So you can do that, okay, 0.30 cents per click. Okay, so next is ad extensions. Now, I want to show you something. I want to show you a couple of images right now, and how are your ads ranked, guys? Now, you may think the more you pay equals the higher you rank, but that's not 100% true. It's very important, but it's not true, guys. You have to bear in mind the quality score. And now the quality score is, wait guys, look at this image. This is the quality score, okay? So you have to be relevant, okay? Landing page experience, ad relevance, and expected CTR. So it's not just about the amount you pay, okay? There's different factors to this, okay? But yes, the max CPC bid is very, very important. So make sure your review site is relevant to the offer. Make sure your ad set is relevant, which I'm going to be going through in a couple of minutes, so stick with me. Okay, so we're gonna skip this part. Okay, save and continue. Okay guys, so ad group. Now this is also very, very important, and this is gonna be your actual targeting. So with the ad groups, people are gonna look for your review site. So basically we're gonna copy this again, GenBrain, and since we're doing a review website, we're gonna go GenBrain review. All right. And now the next part is we're gonna have to be doing exact match, okay? Don't do anything else, guys. If you're a complete beginner, just do exact match, okay? So GenBrain review, okay? So this is the main keyword that is gonna be linking to our review website. We can also do something like GenBrain let me just paste it, it's gonna be quicker. GenBrain brain supplement review. Okay, so you understand what I'm saying? You want to go really, really specific. Okay, so save and continue, and now we're going to be doing the ad sets. So the final URL is going to be the final URL to your website, to your review website. Okay, so for this example, when I finish my review site, I'm gonna save it. Okay, saved, exit, and this is the link to my review site. So for this example, I'm gonna use it here. Headline 1 would be GenBrain review. We reviewed the #1 brain supplement. Okay, super simple, guys. Okay, supplement, brain supplement. All right, nice. So basically in the headlines, you want to put some really specific. In the headline number 1 would you be GenBrain review. Number 2, you can put we review the number 1. Headline number 3, brain supplement. Okay. So in the displayed paths, this is going to display behind your URL. So this is their URL and this is the path. Okay. So we can just type something like GenBrain review, and description. You can just think of something really interesting, something like, let's just say, let's get inspired, guys. Okay. So GenBrain, explore GenBrain's broad okay, we can just, for this example, we can just copy it. You know, we can change it up a small bit. GenBrain protects your brain, blah blah blah. Let's do it like this. Okay, so for this example, we're gonna do something like this. Okay, guys, so now our ad set is finished. We can click done, and we can go save and continue. Now you can revise your campaign, 10 euros per day, maximize clicks, website traffic, yes, the targeting is correct, the language is correct, starting November 1, so that's today. So as soon as our campaign gets approved, we're going to be seeing, you know, clicks coming in, impressions, and the click-through rate. And make sure to have multiple ad sets, okay? Because, you know, this was just an example, but you can also try to target different keywords, okay? You can also try to make a different ad set. You can change up the text, okay? So this is the ads and extensions. This is what our ad would look like on Google. You know, the URL is from the ClickFunnel, so that's why it's so bad. But you can connect your very own URL when you purchase it, so that's super simple. You can literally go settings, domain, and connect your own domain. Super easy. So guys, make sure to implement this strategy because it truly does work. On the beginning of the video, you saw my results from today, yesterday, this month, last month, my best month, and this is all from Google Ads. Well, a bit of free traffic too. Well, like 50% free traffic and 50% paid traffic. So you really gotta implement the strategy that I showed you right here because it really does work, guys, okay? So many people are doing it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit that button below, comment and like, because every video I am actually giving away a free CPA marketing course, which is worth about $97, so you never know, you might be the next one to win it. Make sure to comment below and I'll see you in the next video.